What's happening, guys? Hope you're well. And today, bringing you another video. We're back at the lakes again. Walking along the Catbells, across the Maiden Moor and High Spy, and finally Dale Head. And then we'll see what happens when we get there, what time it is, how long we've got left, and then we'll head back. Hope you guys enjoy. I just did my first ever bit of scramble there, guys. Pretty awesome experience. Give you guys a little 360 of the location so far. It's very, very windy, but I tell you something, stunning so far. Honestly, beautiful views. It's sunny, but it is cloudy now and then, so the sun does hide away for a bit. If you're new to the channel, drop a sub. If you like the video, hit the like button. Let's get on with it. So we've just left the Catbells right there, just off to our left. I'm just sat here chilling, getting out the wind while I speak to you guys. Obviously incredible views. It's been a beautiful hike so far. We've got around, I think around another 3 and a bit mile to go until we're up to Dale's Head. As that's where we're gonna head. And then once we get there, we're gonna have some bait and yeah, show you guys the beautiful sights. So the Catbells is situated on the western shore of the Derwent Water, which I'll put on the screen right now. And it is 3 miles away from the busy town of Keswick. And also, just in case you're wondering, the Catbell is 451 metres, which is 1,480 feet high. Just in case you're wondering. Let's get back on with the walk.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing.
Oh, I tell you something, I am knackered. The thighs are burning. No matter how long you stop and stare, still can't take it in. It's incredible.
Making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life in these times? It feels like
So this week I actually had some shitty news, and I was quite down for a day or two. Obviously having it on my mind, and you know, it was something that was looking quite promising, but unfortunately it didn't go to plan. So it was kind of getting to me, and got me a bit down, you know. But I said to myself, no, I'm not giving in. I'm not letting it take over me. I'm not letting it upset me. I'm not letting it get to me. And I fucking kicked its arse, and now I'm feeling much better. And now here I am on a wonderful, wonderful day out, hiking the lakes. Yeah, it's mad that to see people up here doing downhill biking, especially at some of the parts, because it is quite steep, and I'm not too sure how you would go down with the bikes, as yeah, some parts are pretty naughty, but fair play to them, like, fair play. I used to actually do downhill biking years ago, and I absolutely loved it. Pretty much for the same reasons to why I do hiking, you know, just getting out, being in the middle of nowhere in forests, flying around, you know. The only difference is now with what I'm doing right now is I'm just walking instead of biking.
That I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Look at that. Wow. Just when I think, guys, surely we can't go any higher. Surely this is the highest spot. No, we just continue to go up and up and up. If any of you guys in the comments, any of you guys watching this right now, if you guys do hike yourself, let me know your thoughts on hiking. And you know, as I say every video, which some of you might get sick of it, but it is very, very important and it helps massively. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button, drop a comment, and if you want to go even further, share the link around on your socials. I greatly appreciate it. Get in there! Right, so where we are right now is called High Spy. It's 646 meters high. Absolutely incredible views. Pretty much the more you go on from Catbells, the more incredible it gets. The terrain on top of obviously the mountains just gets crazier and crazier. The views get more crazy. And if we have a look over this way, look at this. Look at this, man. Just insane. Incredible. In the distance where you can see my finger, that is where Helvellyn is. And you can see the clouds just right over the top of it. Crazy. We're heading on to Dale's Head right now, and unfortunately we're coming down where we've just been, and yeah, my only thought is I've got to go all the way back up that, and where I'm heading right now is pretty much where you can see that little lake pond.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I'm
this right here, this bit of river, leads to the waterfall that we're probably hearing. So once we've had food, once we've stopped up here, we're going to come down here, we're going to try and follow this river, and see if we can get to the waterfall.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Wow. Right, we finally made it to Dale's Head. I'm going to grab some food, have a little rest, and right now this is what we're dealing with. So, on the menu today we have a chicken mayo sandwich, a pepperoni wide boy, some McCoy's trusty Mars bar, Twix, bottle of water.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.
So, we've just had bait. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go in the lake there, as there was people there and there was dogs and stuff, and I didn't really want to risk getting jumped in the lake, which you guys maybe might have seen on the hyperlapse if I put it in. But we're just heading down to the waterfall now. Hopefully it's not too far from here, just because I don't want to go too far down, because obviously I've got to come all the way back up, right? And I've already got to go all the way up that after I've been up here. So I don't want to give myself too much to do on the way back, where it's going to possibly burn me out. Thank you. Well, we found it. We found it. Get in. Get in. It was a little bit further along than I expected it to be, but I was like, oh fuck it, we'll go a little bit further. We'll go a little bit further just to try and see if it is. And I said to myself, I said, if we get to that tree up there and it's not here, we're turning back. Look at that beauty, man. Look at that. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take a dip though, which I would have loved to have done. Look at that. Wow. Incredible. And we're going to say it once again, smash that like button and leave a comment if you've enjoyed the vlog so far. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You know what? Surprisingly, it's not that bad. It's actually not cold. You could easily have a quick swim in that, quick wash. Right then, since we've got a naughty hike to get back up the top, I'm going to put the camera away and I'm just going to focus on getting all the way up the top of the mountain. So next time you guys see me, we should be right at the top again. And yeah, what a belting hike this has been so far. Oh God, we're finally back at High Spy. As you can probably tell, I am absolutely exhausted. My legs are done in. Can't wait to get back to the car now. So thankfully we've been on flat ground and everything pretty much being downhill. I've been able to kind of recover from the exhaust state that I was in over that way. And yeah, not too far to go now. Catbells just over that way. And we've got Derwent Lake right in front of us as well. Look at that view, man. Look at that. Jesus. We're back, baby. We're back. Let's go. One last time, these views. There's sheep everywhere. What's going on? Catbells. Done.